Hi guys, welcome to another video of me getting boozed up while occasionally some unboxing occurs in the background. Today I'm enjoying a Nazgul cocktail. Cheers guys. Delicious. I really needed one of these. So, this package got sent in to me by the Kono store. We've sent back and forth a couple of times already, I think, and they've come up with something interesting for me, and I think you guys will like it as well. So, let's have a look. Maybe the shape of the box, by the way, maybe the shape of the box is already kind of an indication as to what sort of keyboard this might be. Just saying, see if you can guess it. Or at the very least, it's not a long, flat box. Let's put it like that. Cool. Carefully open this up. Let's see. Oh wait, it's it's an inverted USPS box. Interesting. Right, get rid of that. Now, ooh, nice. They've sent me a bunch of loose switches. So they sent me a bunch of loose switches as well. It's a keyboard that you can fit out with different types of switches. And these ones are the Kono Midnight switch. They look very, very fancy. I mean, look at this. Look, makes Gateron ink look like, well, ink, I guess. I mean, they're just Cherry MX clones, I guess, but, you know, you might as well review something that you haven't reviewed before if you have to cover MX anyway, right? So, cool. So, let's stick that in. Let's see here. Let's just get the address. So, we've got, what is it, 4, 5, 6 packages of them. Oh, even more. 8, 9. Oh. Maybe I have to, yeah, I think I have to actually insert them myself. Well, that makes sense. There you go. It is the, prepare yourself, the Ergodox. I've had so many requests for one of these. Jesus. I think, to their credit, the Kono store must be very brave. I did warn them in advance. I'm not a big fan of ergonomic keyboards. And as far as ergonomic keyboards go, this one is top tier, let's put it like that. Or at least it has that reputation. Yeah, go away, box. I've seen a couple of these before at keyboard meetups, I think. And I know they're quite popular with some people because they are very, very ergonomic, which probably means I'm not going to have a good time, but we'll see. Let's see. Features: 76 key split ergonomic layouts, hot swap sockets for easy customization and assembly, VIA firmware. God, it runs in VIA. VIA is effectively a, well, it's not really a front end, I guess, but it's a kind of loader or something. Effectively, it means QMK, bitches, and it's yeah. Acrylic and aluminum case plate sandwich. Acrylic and case plate sandwich for comfort and style. 1 year manufacturer warranty, blah, 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 in the box. Well, we'll see about that. Designed in San Francisco. That's why there's a llama on it, I guess. Made in China. Right. Let's have a look. Okay, so I must admit I'm not knowledgeable enough about the Ergodox to know what the Hotdox V2 means. I guess this is some sort of revision, but frankly I'm not sure what they changed. I'll have to look that up for the review. Jesus motherfucking Christ on a tricycle! This thing doesn't want to give up its secrets. So, QR code. I think I have one of these pullers. It looks very familiar. It's both a wire keycap puller and a switch puller. It's actually nice. I've got a lot of this sort of stuff, but some are nicer than others. Right, let's see. Standard feet, stick-on feet. Looks like an Allen key and a small screw. Guess this is necessary for fixing this to something or whatever. We'll see. USB-C to USB-C. I'm gonna guess that's how the two halves interconnect. And USB-C to USB-A, so that's probably how the keyboard connects to the computer. Right, here we go. The inner sanctum. So, that is número uno. Y número dos. Okay, don't think there's anything else in this box. Very straightforward box this. Doesn't happen very often anymore. Right. Actually, fuck off. There you go. Much better. So, it's just shrink wrapped or something. Just to keep it fresh. Motherfuckers, Jesus, like it's covered in sellotape. Okay, wow, it's very shiny. Actually looks kind of cool from the bottom. Look at that. That's quite pretty. I guess now I know what they mean with the acrylic and aluminum sandwich thing. Actually, it looks very nice. Yeah. Sticking up slightly, these aluminium bases, I don't know. Maybe, well, I guess this is where you're supposed to stick on the feet, but I hope I've got enough of them, because otherwise I think this will scratch up the table pretty quickly. Let me just get my keyboard towel real quick. Just so we don't scratch the table. It's already scratched badly enough. Unpack this one. Jesus fucking Christ. Well, you really have to want to get to it. There you go. Fuck off. Right. So, I think this is how you're supposed. Oh my god, it's already intimidating. I could swear this one had legs. Oh, maybe I'm misremembering. Okay, so it's okay. It's got little displays in them, I just noticed. Not sure what that... Yeah, it definitely looks like a display. I can even see a ribbon cable leading to there. Wonder what it displays. Can't be just the logo. Anyway, so they sent me a generous amount of midnight switches, but they already come with switches, so maybe the intention was for me to swap them over somehow. Let's check to see what's already in there, because it doesn't look blue. Oh yes, I think these are Kyle Rose switches, which must be the default that they have in here. Simple uniprofile spherical keycaps, like so. Interesting. Guess that doesn't really matter too much. Right, so let's see if I can get this thing working. There's no manual included. I guess that's the that's what the QR code is for. Yeah, Hot Docs Guide. God, who came up with that name? Jesus Christ. Oh, man, I made it a little bit sweet today. Maybe I overdid the blackcurrant liqueur. Right, let's see. Seems like a generous length of cable for something between two keyboards. I mean, would you be typing like that? Well, there you go. That's fine. Rather too much than too little. Okay, it's got 4 ports on them, and they don't look any different. So maybe you can just pick whichever one you want. Which sounds like a good thing to try and find out. Yeah. Yes. Oh God, dare I really do this? It's just, oh man, even already it just looks so hostile. A whole bunch of keys are unlabeled, which doesn't help either. I guess you're supposed to, what is it, rebind them in QMK or VIA. Oh man. It's especially this thing here. It's pretty common on ergonomic keyboards, I think. Man, this is going to take some while to get used to. I do intend to use this for a full week, just like I do for most ergonomic keyboards. I might not be able to give great insight into the ergonomics. I've tried enough ergonomic keyboards now that I can kind of feel a little bit what works and what doesn't, but you know, ergonomics not my thing, so I'm not going to try and slag on it too hard, because frankly I'm just not an authority on the subject. Right, let's see. Ooh. Oh, displays layers and inputs. Interesting. So that looks like that. That's fucking impossible to see. There you go. Hopefully you can see that. It's also got RGB that shines through the bottom. Well, I say RGB, it's R so far. Okay, let's open the switch tester program. Okay, seems to work fine. Okay, what's what? That. This is the Windows key. Okay, this alternates between the Windows key and the apostrophe key. What the fuck? The first unknown key test already has weirdness. Okay, that's backslash -0. Okay, so these are the number keys. Where's the fucking and that's shift. Okay, what's this? Oh my god. Oh, what the hell? This is a incomplete nav cluster. It's up and down, I guess. These are left and right. Shift Alt, that's left, that's right. Oh my god, the nav cluster is split between two keys. What the fuck? You couldn't make this shit up if you tried. Oh, what the fuck, it's stuck. No, that's Control Shift Alt. Oh, that's Control Shift Alt Windows. What the? Okay. Nav cluster. Oh, jeez. Okay, what was it? Shift. Hello. Oh, what space? What space? Space. Space. My name is Thomas, and what was that? What's apostrophe? This one. Some of the time I'm typing on Ergodox right now. Okay. Well, like I said, it's just gonna take some time to get used to. It does look well made, I have to say that. Some of this ergonomic junk. What the fuck did I just hear? It's... What, is that the stab? Sounds like loose change. I was gonna say it's well made, but... What the fuck? Okay. Let's check it out. Is that really the stabilizer? I guess. Maybe the other one? Fucking hell, man. Oh yes, the stabilizer has fallen out. That's why it sounds like loose change. One of the stabilizers came out. I can probably fix that. Let's just take the plates off and reinsert it back. Oh well, it is foreign shipping after all. Well, admittedly, I've never seen it with stabilizers, but international shipping can be very bad for your keyboards. Motherfucking Christ, cunt-loving. I think this keyboard has already taken a dislike to me. Re-fucking attach, you piece of dog shit. Oh, be careful, otherwise it's going to stop the recording. Okay, that's fine. Cool. Wow, clearly a lot to take in here. Well, should be interesting. I think this is a spare pillar. Yeah, it's one of these. It's just a spare. Interesting. Well, I'm definitely going to give this a whirl at some point, and slowly, preferably with anesthetics. Thanks very much, Kona Store, for sending this to me. This is one of the more renowned, I think, modern ergonomic keyboards out there. So I'm very curious about that, and I'll give these switches a go as well. They're hot swap, so it shouldn't be too difficult to test them out. So, right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my usual ramblings. And I'll see you in the next video.